How to enable or disable PHPs, allow URL fopen using CloudLinux Selector in Plesk. You can use CloudLinux Selector to enable or disable the allow URL fopen directive in Plesk. This tutorial assumes that you have already logged in. In the right-hand sidebar, click on the PHP selector option. Then click on the Options menu. If the Options page shows an error related to the native PHP version, change it to a non-native version first. Allow URL fopen is disabled. We recommend you enable this function only if it is necessary to avoid security risk. Let's enable the allow URL fopen. That's it, allow URL fopen has been enabled. To disable this function, just click to uncheck the box. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.